Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Clifton, Virginia on its Galaxy DX66 V3. With the V3 version, as you see, they've changed the meter readout and the display for the frequency counter to orange. Other than that, same radio as the V2. Nice little radio if you don't need a sideband. Has echo, which is really handy. Let me show you your carrier level all the way down. 25 watt slug, about a half a watt. That way, if you want to run amplifier, you get full adjustability. 5 watts all the way up. Now let me show you average power swing. Hello, 18 bird, 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello, and some people ask, with our power all the way down, will it still swing the same PEP? There it is, all the way down at half a watt. Hello. There you have it. Alright, Clifton, it's ready to come to you. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.